Hi, I'm Camille from Camille's Doll Spa, and today I have Isabel with me, who's about to get a Mani-Pedi with some Color Street nail polish strips in the color Tokyo Lights, which is a really light pink rose gold sparkly polish that goes with just about everything. Now the nice thing about using Color Street nail polish strips on your doll is that they stay on really well, there's no dry time, and then when you're done with them after a while you can scrape them off easily with your fingernail, leaving no damage to your doll. Follow me to the dollhouse and we'll get started. Alright, we're finished with the fine cleanup with the cuticle stick. So here's a close-up of how it looks when it's all done. Beautiful Isabel is ready for whatever she is going to today. Maybe she's going to the American Girl Place for lunch. Anywhere she goes, she's going to turn heads with this beautiful Mani-Pedi. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Camille's Doll Spa, and I would appreciate it so much if you would drop your comments down below. Thanks, bye!